Hi everyone, it's Megan with W&L Subaru, and not only do we sell safe and reliable vehicles here at W&L Subaru, but we also pride ourselves into sharing very educational things with our community. So this weekend on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. we are going to have Geisinger car seat technicians, certified car seat technicians here to talk to you about safety with strapping your child in. So whether it be a car seat base and a child that is rear facing, or a child who may be two years and above that is forward facing, they're going to talk to you about how to properly strap in your child. If you have maybe 2 or 3 car seats, what would be the best placement for where your child should be. So they're going to be here on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and they are certified car seat technicians that will walk through this process with you, and hopefully you'll learn a lot about car safety with your car seats.